Alright everybody, here's a little video of my brand new nitrous kit. I got hooked up by my main man over in south side of Chicago, Bitchin' Camaro. You guys go follow him, Bitchin_Camaro on Instagram. He hooked me up with a killer kit. It's the Nitrous Express mainline kit. I mean, it's brand new. It's never been touched, never been hooked up. I mean, this plate is brand new. All the fittings, the lines, nitrous solenoid, fuel solenoid, switches. It could be jetted from 100 horsepower to 250 shot. I got a purge kit right here for it. The purge solenoid, all the switches, the buttons, the fittings, you name it, the compression fittings. Comes with everything. He even gave me these heavy duty nitrous oxide tank straps right here. Not those little chintzy ones that come with the kit. So, man, I'm hooked up big time. I can't wait to hook this bitch up.